Hello, English Go-Getter. This is the second quiz about personal pronouns. Now, before we get started, let's quickly review the personal pronouns together. And here they are: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. And let's also review the instructions. So first you're going to read the sentence, choose the correct answer. Now remember, you have 10 seconds and then the answer will appear. So let's start the quiz. Question 1. This is my sister, blank, is 10 years old. And the correct answer is letter A, she is 10 years old. Question number 2. I see a man, blank is my teacher. And the correct answer is letter C, he is my teacher. Question number 3. This is my dog, blank is small. And the correct answer is letter A, it is small. Question 4. These are my shoes, blank are new. And the correct answer is letter B, they are new. Question 5. That boy is my cousin, blank is tall. And the correct answer is letter B, he is tall. Question 6. I see a car and a bus, blank are fast. And the correct answer is letter C, they are fast. Question 7. I have a cat, blank is sleepy. The correct answer is letter C, it is sleepy. Question 8. This is my mom, blank is a doctor. And the correct answer is letter B, she is a doctor. Question 9. These are my friends, blank love pizza. And the correct answer is letter B, we love pizza. Question 10. I see you and Sarah, blank are friends. And the correct answer is letter A, you are friends. Hey English Go-Getter, you're halfway done. Keep going.
Bravo on that, by the way.
Question 11. This is my brother, blank play chess. And the correct answer is letter C, we play chess. Question 12. Blank are a student. And the correct answer is letter A, you were a student. Question 13. This is John, blank is my uncle. And the correct answer is letter B, he is my uncle. Question 14. These are my pencils, blank are blue. The correct answer is letter C, they are blue. Question 15. Anna is my friend, blank is smart. The correct answer is letter A, she is smart. Question 16. I have a cat and a dog, blank are funny. The correct answer is letter A, they are funny. Question 17. My sister is tall, blank plays basketball. And the correct answer is letter C, she plays basketball. Question 18. This is my brother, blank are from Canada. The correct answer is letter B, we are from Canada. Question 19. These are my books, blank are old. The correct answer is letter B, They are old. Question 20. That is my car. Blank is red. The correct answer is letter A. It is red. And guess what? You did it! Congratulations, English Go-Getter! So how did you do? Be sure to leave your score in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And thank you for watching English Go-Getter. I'll see you in the next video.